Hi, I'm Chris Lafferty with Exact Metrology, and I handle the Artec sales. Today, we're going to unbox Artec's new desktop scanning solution named Micro. So let's check it out. So now that we've got the crate top off, we have the box open. Let's go in and take a look at what's all inside. Have a nice cover, dust cover for when Micro's not in use. And then the accessory kit. This is going to contain items like the calibration artifact, some blue tack, the spacers to position the objects within Micro's scanning volume, and then some other objects, fuses, device, different things. So here we have Artec Micro, desktop scanning solution, blue LED light, and this is the platform where you place your objects. It rotates and translates to help kind of get into those nooks and cavities and areas that might be hard to scan. So now that you've seen it, let's show it capture some data. So Artec was designed to capture high resolution data from small objects. To demonstrate that, I'll show you how to affix a small object to Micro's scanning platform. Now that we have the object positioned, let's capture some scan data. And if you'd like to learn more about Artec Micro, reach out to us here at Exact Metrology.